Good day everyone, I'm Joshua Clement. Today I'm going to talk to you about how to install a picture hook on your plaster wall. Plaster walls are not designed to hold nails. Nails tend to just rip right out of the plaster, so we're going to have to put screws in there instead. For this job, we'll be using a battery powered drill with a Phillips bit and a drywall screw. This is the normal setup for your picture hooks. It comes with a nail that slides in through two holes and holds it at an angle. That way when you put the weight on there, it doesn't want to pull out. The problem is the plaster will not hold the nails, they'll just pull right out. So we'll take that nail out and put a drywall screw in there instead. The drywall screw will hit the lath boards behind the plaster, which will hold it into place. So we put our screw into our picture hook and we'll place it where we want to hang our picture, grab our drill and screw it in. Putting a screw in there instead of a nail will hold that weight a lot better and it won't pull out on you. Thank you all for watching and good luck with this project.